Hi, it's Kalena, and we are going to make more soap today. Specifically, we're going to be using all of these wonderful colorants down here. Madder root, safflower powder, turmeric powder, rose clay, sea clays, and a couple of other clays. We're going to make two different kinds of soap. One I'm going to be calling Cedar and Saffron, and the other is just going to be a mountain soap. I'm really missing the mountains right now. We usually try to go there at least once a year, and we love the Southwest, and I think these colors are going to do a good job of capturing the Southwest and hopefully bringing that into our lives at Kalena Mama. And we'll look forward to bringing you back once I have all of the lye mixture done and the oils and the colorants incorporated. Hey everybody, this is Kalena again, and I'm getting ready to make that Cedar and Saffron soap, and it's going to use the plop method, which is just using some spoons to plop the soap into the 10-inch container over there. We'll get to that in a minute. Right now I'm going to go ahead and mix my lye water with my oils that I mixed earlier, and you didn't have to watch all that because it's kind of boring waiting for stuff to come about. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lye right into the oils. And we're going to spin this up. I'm going to get a really light trace. That's looking pretty good. And we're going to now whisk in our Cedar and Saffron essential oils. I'm whisking because I don't want the blender to cause me to go to trace a lot faster. Trace is when the soap starts turning to soap, or the oils and the lye start reacting in such a way that it starts hardening. And this essential oil, Cedar and Saffron, actually has been known to accelerate it a little bit, so trying to avoid that. I think that's enough on that part of mixing. I'm going to go ahead and pour this hopefully equally into these. I'm not going to really measure because I can tell it's already setting up. And I still have to blend these. So once I blend, I'll turn all these off so that you don't have to sit here and watch me blend each one. And then we'll come back and you can watch us do the final pour. So we're just mixing up this last one of the sea kelp, and it's created a really nice green color. So we've got a yellow Brazilian clay, we have a purple Brazilian clay, we have the safflower powder, and then this is sea kelp, and I've added just a small amount of some green oxide to it. Just mix these one last time. And we're ready to start spooning. So I'm going to just kind of get our spoon here. First spoon. Plop in some color. I love this green. And we're going to do a little bit of the white. This almost looks like frosting. we're going to tap that down just a little bit. Since these are setting up, we want to make sure that we keep tapping it down to keep it flat. Okay, so what we've done here just in a little lapse is we've gone ahead and just plopped all of the remaining soap into the mold in just different plop layers with the spoon. I'm just cleaning it off now. And we're going to go ahead and do just a small swirl on this so I can kind of incorporate those plops in a little bit more. So I'm just going to come down and up and down and up and down. And I'll go pass through one more time and up, and that is it on that. And then I'm going to wait for this to set up a little bit more. It's almost ready now, but I'm going to wait for it to set up a little bit more, and then I'm going to make some peaks, some high peaks, because I'm trying to mimic these mountains that I miss so much. And so I'll just do that with another spoon here to just peak these up. Making some nice swirls. This will give the top of the soap a nice texture as well. And add a little bit more color to it. Some of those are just a little too high, so I'm going to push them down a bit. Alright, I'm thinking that looks pretty good, and I'll just wipe the mold off a little bit more here to keep down on the soap from going everywhere when we touch it tomorrow. And so we're going to put this in the oven, and it's going to gel up for about 30 minutes, and then we'll take it out.